Hello everyone, today we are going to explore this 8 LED RGB ring module. We will understand its working, connections, Arduino programming and see different lighting effects step by step. We are going to learn how to interface this 8 LED RGB ring, also known as WS2812B NeoPixel ring with an Arduino. So here is a list of components that will be required to interface the RGB ring module with the Arduino. Here is an Arduino Nano, shield, 8 LED ring module, RGB ring module, USB data cable and jumper wires. Now let's understand the RGB ring. This module contains 8 individually addressable RGB lights. Each LED has a red LED, a green LED, a blue LED and internal controller chip. Because of the inbuilt controller, we only need one data wire to control all 8 LEDs. The module has 4 important pins. First is DIN, second is 5 volts, third is ground and fourth is DOUT. 5 volt is required to give the power supply, ground is connected to the ground, DIN is the pin for data input and DOUT is the pin for data output. Now let's do the connection. First we have to solder the jumper wires to the ring module. Then first is the pin of DIN. We have to connect the DIN pin to the signal pin of the shield of on the 6th number pin. Next we have to connect the 5 volt to the VCC. And at the last we have to connect the ground pin, the ground of the shield. Now let's move on to the software part. So open Arduino IDE, go to Tools. In Tools, click on Manage Libraries, search for NeoPixel library. So here you will get Adafruit NeoPixel by Adafruit. Please install this library to run the program of NeoPixel 8 LED ring module. After the library is installed, we can go to the file and click on examples. In examples, move down to Adafruit NeoPixel examples. In that there are multiple codes which we can run to test the codes. I will go for RGB withstand test. Once the code is displayed on the screen, verify it. So along with the RGB stand test, we can also do different lighting effects with the help of the codes which will be displayed on the screen. This is the demonstration of color wipe ring.